Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Oracle PL SQL Introduction. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Oracle PL SQL Basics. We can connect to database using SQL plus command. We can run the PL SQL in script mode by creating PL SQL file with .pls extension and run the script using @PL SQL file name. Or we can run the PL SQL in interactive mode by typing the PL SQL code on terminal. We can nest one PL SQL block within another PL SQL block. We can make the PL SQL code to display output on terminal using setServerOutput command. We can add single-line comment using two hyphens and add multi-line comment by starting with /* and ending with */. Different extensions for PL SQL code are PLS for PL SQL source file, PLB for PL SQL binary file, PKS for package source or package specification file, PKB for package binary or package body file, PCK for combined package specification file with body. PL SQL code has declaration part with declare keyword. Execution part starts with begin and ends with end keyword. And we can have optional label, an optional exception block. We need to type / after PL SQL code to execute the code. And we can disconnect from database using exit command. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.